Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, March the 14th. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I'm Justin, I'm a photographer and product editor.
And this is a little series where we like to go through the newsletter with you and then go out in person and show you every single thing that we cover in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it.
To begin, we have the Friday bundle. This is called Summertime Blues, and despite the name, it's actually a very happy bundle. This is curated from our favorite blueprints in Wilmington's Summertime Daydream collection. And there is a special price. This bundle is priced at $29.96 when originally it's $36.96.
That's a deal.
This bundle features a repeating stripe, florals, bouquets, polka dots, and grid textures and colors of blue and some reds and whites. So make sure to make your summer bloom with the Summertime Blue Friday bundle.
Next group we have is Stonehenge Eagle Pass from Northcott.
I see what you did there.
This group is featuring the Soar Quilt Kits, the 28-inch panels, and the full yard collection. As you expect, this group is full of eagles, mountains, trees, rocks, water, and clouds, all in the color schemes of blue, turquoise, and browns. So if you're wanting any nature, eagle, mountain type theme group, you can soar to new heights with Stonehenge Eagle Pass.
Caw-caw! We've got a group from Henry Glass called Western View. This is featuring daydreaming quilt kits, 24-inch panels, and the full collection of yardage. This is patterns of cowboy hats, boats, wagon wheels, shoe horses, saddles, feathers, bandanas, and paisleys in colors of red, blue, orange, brown, and green. So make sure to say howdy to Western View from Henry Glass.
Yeah! Next up, we have Among the Ferns from Hoffman. This is a digitally printed group. With this group, we have the Bear and the Ferns quilt kits. We have 30-inch panels, and we also have the full yard collection. With this group, you can have patterns such as bears, trees, florals, butterflies, and ferns. Color schemes of earthy greens and browns. So if you are interested in any of these items, make sure to get lost in nature with Among the Ferns.
All right, we've got Lucky Stars from Blank. This is featuring the Country Colors wall quilt kits, the 36-inch block panels, and the full collection of yardage. This is a Patriotic America themed group, so you can expect patterns of stars, florals, paisleys, and stripes, and colors of, you guessed it, red, white, and blue. So make sure to let freedom ring with Lucky Stars.
Next, I want to highlight a sale on our Starlight Batiks Quilt Kit, which is originally priced at $306.96, but is now on sale for $211.96. I know, it's an insane deal. So if you're interested in this gray quilt kit, you can go shine bright and save big with the Starlight Batiks Quilt Kit.
We've got a Berry Sweet collection called Berry Sweet from Timeless Treasures. This is a strawberry forward group featuring Let's Do Lunch table runner kits, as well as the full collection of yardage. We've got patterns of strawberries, blooms, leaves, stripes, and plaids in colors of blue, pink, red, green, and cream. So make sure to sweeten your stash with Berry Sweet from Timeless Treasures.
Next up, I wanted to highlight Purrfectly Playful from 3 Wishes. This group is selling quickly, so if you're interested in this, make sure to go check it out right now. This group is digitally printed, and with that, it is featuring the assorted yardage that comes with it. The patterns that are on this group include cats, yarn balls, bikes, bows, butterflies, and a tea texture, colors of rainbow and other vibrant colors. So if you might happen to be a cat lover, you can make your project magical with Purrfectly Playful.
Y'all know how it is. We've got the March bargains. This is a page on our website where we have remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else on sale for you. So make sure to go snag your deal and check daily because we update this daily.
Now we're on to our comment of the week. This is where we go and pull a YouTube comment from y'all from last week and put it into this video this week. So with that being said, we are getting started with Margaret Lavinia, who says, "Great video, guys. It looks like you are doing closer views of the fabric, or maybe I'm seeing things. If you are, I like it. Glad you were not injured or have damage from the storm. I like the charm packs on display too. Do you have any green ones to use for St. Patrick's decor? I always look forward to your videos Friday. Stay safe." First off, I want to thank you very much for this comment. We appreciate you coming and checking out our videos and keeping up with us. On that note, we have actually been getting a little bit closer to the fabric, so on that note, you are not seeing things. We wanted to give y'all a better, clearer image of the fabrics that are going on, so we were trying to get a little closer to that and show you better quality of that. Can also say we are actually okay from the storm. There were some crazy winds, but a couple trees blown down near the warehouse here, but outside of that, we are pitch perfect condition over here. Unfortunately, we do not have any of the green charm packs to put up back here, but we can say we might be adding some more decorations back here soon, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you!
Whoa, that was really aggressive.
For me, it was the episode of thank you! Come on. Whipped your head forward.
Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment down below. You might be featured for Comment of the Week. Also, follow all of our social medias. That will be in the description. And with all that being said, we will see you all next week for another episode. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.